Getting a healthcare degree online is now a reality, even for the average citizen who finds him or herself with an already full schedule and little time for study. Without having to do much rearranging at all, one can break into the healthcare field or advance themselves in the career they already have. When obtaining a degree online, many students find they have more options than they had previously thought. It is not uncommon for a professional to become disenchanted with their field and look for a way to better their standings. Sometimes the way to do this is with an increase in pay or maybe a change in responsibilities and duties. Either way, one is likely to need a degree to see either situation evolve. Often, this can be an intimidating thought for many working adults. The idea of finding time in a schedule that is already maxed out along with figuring out how to afford such a venture usually stops a person before they start. However, the gist of getting a healthcare degree online is all about saving time and its cost effectiveness. With online learning, one can earn their degree with the time that is available to them instead of trying to adhere to a rigid schedule. The price includes only the necessary books and classes with no added extras for parking or rooming fees. Virtual classrooms are open at any time of the day or night. Online learning provides only the most up-to-date and practical knowledge for its students. Everything that is learned can be applied in the current or soon-to-be career in the healthcare field. Whether it's mid-level management positions for healthcare organizations to various duties involved in the administration of home health agencies or a doctor's office, every skill will be of use. The classes that are taught and the accredited curriculum are devised by certified and experienced individuals who have worked extensively in the healthcare field. The student is able to get right to the heart of learning just what they need, right when and where they need it. This gives them the winning edge over others, landing them promotions and other beneficial career advancements. Getting one's healthcare degree online can be as simple as finding an accredited program and talking with a financial aid specialist. Depending on a student's situation, financial aid options may be available. It is not only uncommon for previous college credits to be accepted for online learning, but in some cases, companies will help with the expense of returning to college for their employees. As many have come to find, cost is a major factor that turns many students away from the idea of returning to college. Once students learn how many options they have with online learning, returning to college becomes an even easier choice. In the long run, many find the cost to be returned to them in the higher earning potential that having a degree brings. As the majority of a population ages, the healthcare field is one that is slated to be in high demand in the coming years. Although there will be a call for many nurses and other healthcare professionals, the need for administrative professionals will also rise. Those with the skills for organizing an area as it goes through a period of growth will be highly sought after. Getting a healthcare degree online is something that can almost seem intimidating until one is able to see for themselves just how efficient an online program will be. Students are not only in control of their learning but at the end of the course receive a valid and accredited degree. For many adults, learning on one's own terms is almost as valuable as the education itself.